Go. Level 2. Level 2. Oh my God.
Ready? I'm gonna pounce on the mushroom.
Pounce mushroom. You record.
Pounce on it again. Pounce on the mushroom.
Pounce on the mushroom.
You pounce that mushroom.
Pounce it. Kristen, pounce it. Now eat the mushroom and get bigger. Yeah. Go.
Now you know what would really impress me?
What would impress you, Missy?
If you did the underwater level.
Go! Right now. Oh my God.
Ready?
The underwater level is like a slow watch. Waltz. How do you pronounce it? Waltz?
Waltz? I work at Waltz.
The particular style of music.
But
A waltz is a dance.
Anyway, it's time to hear this.
Dun 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 dun. That song?
Yeah, well, that's the underwater level.
What else you got?
Alright.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Taking that person. Go. You're done?
Thank you.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Jasper, Jasper the Beatboxer on YouTube.com.
Thank you.